What if I told you there's a fungus that looks like it's bleeding from its teeth? Deep in conifer forests, a strange organism called Hydnellum Peckii, commonly known as the bleeding tooth fungus, emerges from the soil with a white, almost soft-looking surface. But then comes the unsettling detail. Bright red droplets begin to ooze from it, resembling fresh blood. This is not a defense mechanism in the way animals use venom or claws. It's a physiological process called guttation. Guttation happens when internal pressure forces liquid out through specialized structures. In Hydnellum Peckii, this red fluid contains pigments and secondary metabolites. Some studies suggest these compounds may have antimicrobial properties, helping the fungus compete against bacteria in nutrient-poor soils. In other words, that blood may function as a chemical weapon in a microscopic battlefield. Despite its dramatic appearance, this fungus is not actually dangerous to touch. However, it is considered inedible due to its extremely bitter taste, which comes from complex organic compounds produced during its metabolic processes. These compounds are part of a broader survival strategy. Fungi in the genus Hydnellum often form ectomycorrhizal relationships with trees, meaning they exchange nutrients with plant roots. The fungus provides minerals like phosphorus, while the tree supplies carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis. Ecologically, Hydnellum Peckii plays a critical role in forest ecosystems. It contributes to nutrient cycling and soil health, acting as both a decomposer and a symbiotic partner. Its presence can even indicate relatively undisturbed environments, since many species in this group are sensitive to pollution and habitat disruption. So the next time you think nature has run out of ways to surprise you, remember this. There's a fungus in the forest that looks like it's bleeding, not because it's wounded, but because it's thriving.